So, hello everyone. Today we're pitting two powerful mini PCs against each other, the Intel NUC 13 and the Asus PN64. So let's see which one reigns supreme. Now, the first one would be the performance. So the Intel NUC 13 is powered by a 13th gen Intel processor, which boasts a impressive performance thanks to its hybrid architecture with performance cores and efficient cores. Now, the Asus PN64 utilizes a 12th gen Intel processor while also featuring a hybrid architecture, but with slightly different core configuration. The NUC 13 generally offers a slight edge in terms of raw processing power and integrated graphics performance. Next, let's talk about the design and feature. The Intel NUC 13 comes in various form factors including the compact Pro models and the more powerful Extreme models. It offers excellent connectivity with Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 6E, and ample ports. The Asus PN64 boasts a more traditional mini PC design with a focus on quiet operation and a compact footprint. It also offers good connectivity options including USB 3.2 and HDMI 2.1. So let's talk about the expandability. The NUC 13 generally offers a better expandability options with support for faster DDR5 and more robust cooling solutions. The PN64 also allows for some upgrades, but its internal space may be slightly more limited. Now let's talk about the price and value. The NUC 13 can range from a budget-friendly option to a high-end configuration. The Asus PN64 also offers a range of models, with pricing generally competitive with the NUC 13. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and budget, but the Intel NUC 13 might be a better fit if you prioritize the latest processor technology, maximum performance, and extensive expandability. The Asus PN64, on the other hand, is a strong contender offering a balance of performance, compact size, and quiet operation. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.